Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. After a long time, we will meet together. So, as you know that the last class after the before the half-yearly exam, in the last class we completed the exercise 5.2. It means chapter decimal 5. Chapter 5 is decimal, and already we completed exercise 5.1 and 5.2. As you know that. So now our last exercise is remaining, exercise 5.3. So now we are going to begin exercise 5.3. So see on board properly. So exercise 5.3, the first question is write the column and add the following. Write in the column columns and add the following. Okay, students. So 5.3 exercise, first question, write in the columns and add the following. It means we have to write in the columns and add the following numbers. Okay, so the way is 3.8. After the decimal, you have to just put in front of the decimal. We put the decimal. Okay, the first number is 3.8 and the second number is 6.95. So in the front of decimal, you just put the decimal. First number is 6, then 6 here, 9, then 9 here, afterwards 5 here. Okay, and you have to add. The blank place you just put the 0 and you have to add the number. Then 0 plus 5, it means 5. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10. And point as it is. So this is your answer. Okay. So like this, the second one, 14.32. In the front of decimal, you have to just place the decimal. Afterwards 7, then 7 here. Then 1 here. 5, 6 and 8 at the last. Okay. So blank place you just put the 0 and add the following digits. 0 plus 8, then 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Decimal 7 plus 4, 11. Carry 1. 1, 2 and 3. 31.888. Next 21.406 and the front of decimal. First number is 7. Afterwards 2. Here 6, 9 and 8, and you have to add both of these. Okay. So 8 and 6, 14. Carry 1. 9 and 1, 10. Carry 1. 6 and 4, 10 and 11. Carry 1. 7 and 1, 8 and 1, 9 and 2 and 2, 4. 49.104. And the last one, 55.126 and point. First number is 8, 1 and 5, then 5 here. Okay. 5, 9 and 2. Blank place, just put the 0. Afterwards add the following. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. Decimal as it is. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Yes, 13. Carry 1. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. Then 573.718. So this is the way to add the decimal number. It means we have to write the number in the columns. In the front of decimal, you have to just put the decimal, and the blank place, remaining one blank place, you just put the zeros. Afterwards, add the following number. Okay. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay. So the next question is write the column in the columns and subtract the following. In the first question, we have to write in the column and add the following, and in the second question, we have to write in the columns and subtract the following. Okay. So same as 11.82. At the front of point, you just put the point. The first number is 9, then 9 here, and the second number is 6. Blank place, put the 0 and 0. Okay, and now subtract. Then 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Point as it is. 11 minus 9 and 2, and 1 minus 1, then 0. The answer is 0, 2 point 0. If you want to write, then write, otherwise not to write 2.22. The second one is 18 minus, here is no point, so 18.00. Okay, in the front of point, just put the point 5, 4 and 0. Now subtract 0 here also. So then 10 minus 4, then 6. Okay, afterwards 9 minus 5, then 4. Then here point as it is 7 minus 0, then 7. Then 17.46 is your answer. Okay, so next one 106.007. At the front of decimal, just put the decimal 795. Then 2 and 4. Blank place, put the 0. 7 minus 5, then 2. 10 minus 9, then 1. 9 minus 7, then 2. 5 minus 2, then 3. 10 minus 4, then 6 and 0 as it is. 63.212. Okay, then last one 118.5926. Then point here 6543790 here. Okay, so after just see 16 minus 9. Then 16 minus 9, then so the result is 7. Okay. Then afterwards here 11 minus 7, then 5. Sorry, 4. Then afterwards here 8 minus 3, then 5. 5 minus 4, then 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 11 minus 5, then 6 and 0. 62.1547. Okay, so this is the way to write in the columns. Afterwards subtract the following decimal numbers. Okay, so take the screenshot and write it on notebook. Okay, student. So the next third question, simplify the following. It means we have to simplify the following. In the first question addition is there, second question subtraction is there, and now simplification. Simplification means addition and subtraction both are there. So we have to add the numbers, afterwards subtract the number. So just see 41.2 is positive, right? And 6 is also positive. Then first you have to add both of these. It means 41.2 and 6 point is not here. So do one thing, first you write 6.0. And in front of point, then 2, 1 and 4. Then add of both of these. And 0 plus 2, then 2. 6 plus 1, then 7 and 47.42. After 47.42, subtract 0.75. Then 0.75. And here 0 and here also 0. The final answer we got from here. So 10 minus 5, 5. 11 minus 7, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 3, sorry, 4 minus 0, 46.45 is your final answer. Okay, so this is the way to solve this type of question simplification. Okay, so just find out where is the odd number and where is the positive number and where is negative number. Just see, first positive number and 107 is also positive. So 515 and 107. The decimal is not here, so no need to write the decimal. First add both of these. Okay, 5 plus 7, 12, carry 1. 1 and 1, 2, 5 and 1, 6. 622. Then 622.000. Okay, point is not here, so we will place the point 622.000. After then point in the front of point is there 0, 6, 9 and 8 as it is. So now subtract all of this. Okay, so 10 minus 8, then 2. 9 minus 9, then 0. 9 minus 6, then 3. 1 minus 0, then 1. 2 minus 0, then 2. And 6 minus 0, then 6. The final answer is 621.302. Okay, so this is the way to solve. Just see positive and negative. So first we have to add all positive integers number. 148.562. Afterwards point here. First number is 4, second number is 1. 4, 7 and 9 plus 0. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 7 and 7, 14. Carry 1. 5 and 4, 9 and 10. Carry 1. 8 and 4, 12 and 13. Carry 1. 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6. 163.041. After 163.041. Then in the front of point 2, 5, 1 and 4 and 7. Blank place, you just put the 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 14 minus 7, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 1 and 0. So 10.571. Okay. So one last question D1 of third का जो D है वो आपको होमवर्क में सॉल्व करना है. Okay, same as it is. You have to add all of the positive number. Afterwards, subtract from the negative numbers. Okay. Any doubt? So take the screenshot. The third one is also same. Just see the D of third one का D. This is positive and positive, so you have to add all positive number. 1007.9 point here, 0, 0 and 9, and here also 0. Blank place 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Afterwards add both of these. 0 plus 9, 9, 0, 9, 7, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, just see two negative numbers are there. First one is 901 and the second is 0.9. So 901.0 point here 9 and 0. Add both negative number also. Add both. Here is two negative numbers. So first you add both positive and both negative also. So 0 plus 9 then 9. Point as it is 1, 0 and 9. Now subtract both of these, then you got your final answer. 1007.909 and here also point 910 and 9. Okay, so negative symbol is here 0, 0 and 0. So 9 minus 0 then 9, 0, 9 minus 9 0, again 0, 7 minus 1 then 6, 0, 9, sorry 10 minus 9 then 1 and 0. So the final answer is 106.009. Okay, so this is the way to solve. So take the screenshot and write on notebook. Okay student, so the next fourth one, express the following as the decimal. ये जो numbers आपको दिए हुए इसके अंदर दो मैंने नहीं लिखे हैं. That 2 F G and H is your homework. Okay, so the first understand that 6 question how to solve. Okay, so the express the following as the decimal. 75 kg, sorry, gram to kg, gram to kg change करना है. It means smaller to bigger. When smaller to bigger are there, then division are there. Okay, so we have to make the division, but we know that 1 kg 1000 gram is there. So 75 by 1000. So final answer is 0.075 kg. This is the way. Okay, we know that gram is the smaller unit and the kg is bigger unit. So smaller to bigger, then division, and we know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So divide by 1000, then 0.075 is your answer. Okay, so the next second one B, 25860 mg to kg, mg to kg. So first we know that mg is the smaller unit and the kg is the bigger unit. So 25860 divide, division is there by first mg to gram. So we know that 1 gram equals to 1000 mg. 1 gram equals to 1000 mg. So first here 1000 into, afterwards kg also. So we know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, then 2 times 1000. 2 times 1000. Why 2 times 1000? As you know that 1 gram equals to 1000 mg. 1 gram equals to 1000 mg. So first division we will change in the mg. It means, so do one thing, you just solve like this. First you change in the mg. Mg means divide by 1000. So the answer is 25.860 gram. This is gram. So again we have to divide by 1000. The final answer is 0.02580 kg is your final answer from here. Okay, 2 times we have to keep divide from 1000 because of the result first change in gram, afterwards change in kg. Okay, so 128 paise to rupees. We know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 128 divided by 100. So the answer is rupees 1.28. This is your answer. Okay. So the next question, 3 liter and 720 ml to liter. So this is liter only. So 3 liter as it is. This is ml. So 725. We know that 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So divide by 1000. The answer is 3 liter plus 0.725. It means 3.725 liter is your final answer. 47 centimeter and 20 mm. 47 centimeter and 20 mm to meter. दोनों को मीटर में चेंज करना है. तो we know that 47 centimeter, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 47 by 1000. This is our meter plus 20 mm. So first we have to change in centimeter. So 20 by 10. This is mm. So answer, sorry, centimeter. This is centimeter because 1 centimeter equals to 10 mm. Okay. So this is 0.47 meter plus now 0.20 mm centimeter. So again we have to change in meter. So 0.47 meter plus 0.20 upon 100 then meter. Final answer is 0.47 meter plus this is also 0.002 meter. Okay, so then you got your final answer 0.49 meter is your final answer. You have to add both of these. When you have to add both of these, then 0, 0 and 2. Sorry, 7, 2. Wait. Some mistakes happen here. 1 centimeter equals to 100 divided 0.47. Then 10 mm. Oh, sorry, 10 here. So it means 2.0. Okay, 2.0. 2.0. Only 10 is here now. Then 2.0. The answer is 0.02 only. Okay, 0.02. Then add both of these. Then 0.59. Okay. So this is the way to solve this type of question. One last is remaining. So take the screenshot. After I will explain that question also. Here the final answer is when you have to add both of this now. Then here the final answer is the place is not here. That's why I will write here 0.49 meter. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer 0.49 meters. So take the screenshot from the video and write in your notebook. Okay, so the last 3 questions is remaining of 4th. So the C F is 928 centimeter to kilometer. 928 centimeters. So first you have to change in the meter. So we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 928 divided by 100, 9.28 meter. This is not your answer. Now meter in kilometer. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So again 9.28 divided by 1000. Then the final answer is 0.00928 kilometer is your final answer. Okay, so the next 879 gram and 28 mg to kg. Again this is also gram. So the first 87 by 1000. This is kg and 28 mg. So mg first we have to change in kg. So again 1000. This is gram. So answer is 0.087 kg plus this is 0.028 gram. Okay, so again we have to divide by 1000. Final answer is 0.087 kg plus this is also now kg, then 0.30 is there, 0.000, then 0.28 kg. Now add both of these, then you got your final answer. That when we have to add both of these, the final answer is 0.08730 as it is, afterwards 0.28 kg. So this is your answer. And the last, rupees 5 and 32 paise into rupees. So this is already rupees 5 plus 327 paise. 1 rupee is noted 100 paisa. So the final answer is rupees 5 plus 3.27. This is also rupees. So final answer is 8.27 rupees. Okay, so take the screenshot and write the answers in your notebook. Okay, so now 4th question is completed. So next 6 is remaining. So next class we complete that 6th question also. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, but I think that there is only addition and subtraction are there. Okay, so some important things are there. Just remember 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, 1 gram equals to 1000 mg, 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Afterwards 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, then 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, and 1 rupees equals to 100 paise, like this. Okay, so take the screenshot and thank you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.